How about these Neewer RGB video lights for $17? And this is only 50% power. Let's go ahead and check them out. So I decided to take a chance on these little portable lights from Neewer for $17 because I wanted to have something that was easy to move around and to simply fill in some shadows, something very cheap. As I said before, this is only 20%. Shit, I have to redo them. I bought these RGB lights from Neewer for only $17. And this, by the way, is only at 20% power. Let's go ahead and check these out. Some of the features I love on this is essentially, one, it's magnetic. Two, you've got cold shoe mounts all around on 4 ends so that you can stack them as you go across. You can change color temperature all the way from 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. It has a rechargeable battery that is rechargeable through USB-C, which is awesome, very convenient. And at 100%, you get about an hour's worth of battery, which is also very nice to have. And of course, you have other features which I have not used yet, but you got things like a cop car, an ambulance, a candlelight, TV, so you have some effects that you can add in here as well. So here I have 3 of the Neewer lights just off to my left here. And of course I've got my key fill right here, but this should be filling some of the shadows and we'll see what it looks like with it. So do I recommend these Neewer lights for $17? Absolutely I do. If you need something portable that is easy to manage like this, nice little accent lights, this is not a bad call. So check these out, Neewer, they're on Amazon, 17 bucks.